Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. And today I have Brad Mondo. What the actual fuck, guys? It's crazy. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for being here all the way from Hawaii.
Yeah. I happen to be in New York City for a day and Brad's like, let's do this. And I was like, fuck, yes.
I'm such a fan too.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. So if you don't know Brad, he is an amazing hairdresser who does like reaction videos on his channel. I'm sure if you guys know me, you probably know him because the YouTube algorithm has just like blessed his existence.
It's like whoring me out.
But yeah, he does amazing videos. They're hilarious reaction videos. Please, if you haven't already, go subscribe to his channel. He creates incredible content. And if you guys want to see my hair being dyed, transformed, because he's incredible at that.
We're going for it.
We are going for it. I'm so excited. So go over to his channel to see that video as well because he's transforming me there and I cannot wait to see what it looks like.
Next time you see Hiram, he's gonna have a whole different look.
Woo! I hope it's my regular look after this.
Me too. I hope you like it.
Oh yeah, I will. In today's video though, what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna be showing me your skincare routine.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous for you.
You're gonna rip me to pieces.
Like, get ready to be torn apart. I know you're trying to take care of your skin. It's all good.
I'm trying.
I'll just deem whether or not you're failing.
Okay, great. Oh God.
Yeah, and then at the end, I'm gonna make some suggestions for improvements or best case scenario. I'll just be like, your skincare routine's perfect.
Probably not, but
yeah. I'm like, why would I say that?
Probably the first one, but I'm ready for it. Just rip me to pieces. I'm not sensitive. I might cry later, but I'll never show it.
Well, I'm so excited for this. This is going to be awesome. Yeah, you have all your skincare products hidden.
Yes.
Like I saw a sneak peek of them before and I was like, oh.
I like don't really care that much.
Okay.
Like, and I should, and like I'm getting older. I'm not 18 anymore.
Yeah.
I'm not like these other kids on TikTok. Like,
I mean, your skin looks great.
Thank
honestly.
you.
I feel like I'm exactly the same when it comes to hair care.
Yeah.
Like skincare, I'm like A game. Hair care is F game. But I'm glad that you're at least starting to invest in your skin because I can't tell you how many people like they wait until they're like 50 years old and they're like, how do I get rid of these wrinkles? I'm like, mama. So tell me a little bit about your skin before you get into this routine so I know like what your struggles are, your skin type is, all that kind of stuff.
My skin is so dry.
Oh.
I have a history of eczema. So sometimes it's on my face, sometimes it's on areas of my body, but it's like always dry. Yeah. I don't get breakouts only because I'm dry. I don't know if that like correlates.
Usually people with dry skin don't.
But like my nose can be oily a little bit sometimes and I can get a lot of blackheads in my nose. Dry.
Yeah, just dry.
Normally, but also dry. I don't know, just a mixture of like dryness. That's all I got. Yeah. What else? What other kinds of ways can I explain my skin?
No, I mean, when you say eczema as well, then that tells me all I need to know. Like, okay, you are dry.
Sensitive.
Like dry as the desert. We'll see how that goes with your routine.
I'm like literally nervous. I don't know why. Here we have Curology.
Okay. Yeah.
Not sponsored.
I
give them way too much free publicity. I don't know what's in it.
Yeah, let me look at the ingredient list. Let me tell you, I like Curology.
Okay.
First off, I do like Curology. I did a video where it was like unsponsored. As for this ingredient list, I like it. So first of all, some things about Curology, they're fragrance free. Yeah. For a lot, I believe all of their formulas, which yes, I absolutely love because I hate fragrance on my channel. Also, it has really gentle cleansing and surfactant ingredients, which means you're not going to overly strip your skin, which is important because sometimes people like that clean, tight feeling.
No.
Oh, good.
Get me away from that.
Good. No. Especially here in New York because it's like winter, cold, dry. It's just something you want to avoid altogether. This has really gentle ingredients, so I approve. Yay!
I did it!
Yes!
We just ended here. We're just done.
Just end the video.
So the other thing about my routine, pretty much like all this stuff was sent. The reason why I use Curology is because it was sent. I don't know exactly what all this stuff does.
The less you have to buy, the better. Yeah. I mean, I think that's great. You may as well use the products.
For your skin.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm just like trying. Let me grab the next thing.
Yeah, no, you're good so far.
Okay, next we have La Roche-Posay.
Oh, double repair face moisturizer.
I bought that actually.
Okay, this is good. Okay. This is good. I am so shocked. I didn't know you were gonna come through with this. Wow. Okay. No, La Roche-Posay is a brand that I'm like familiarizing myself with. From a formulation perspective, I think they're good. Okay. Sometimes they can be a little pricey for drugstore skincare.
I went like this when I bought it. I was like.
Don't look at the total.
I bought like their entire line and I was just like,
really?
You could try it.
I haven't tried this from them, but the label, it says it has niacinamide.
Yeah.
One of my favorite, if not my favorite ingredient of all time. It's incredible. I love niacinamide because it reduces redness and sensitivity, and it gets rid of dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, all that kind of stuff. Like hero.
The more you know.
And then this also says it has ceramides.
Okay.
Ceramides are amazing for dry skin.
What is that?
So, that's a complicated one.
Awesome.
Okay. Yay, I approve.
Those are my basics, right?
Okay, yeah.
If I'm going in a rush somewhere, I just like wash my face, put that on.
Cool. Do you use any sunscreen in addition to this?
No.
Okay. How much do you use?
I would say like...
Oh, okay.
I mean, I like to lather on moisturizer.
Okay, that's good. I think SPF 30 is enough protection. The problem with moisturizers that have sunscreens is that usually people will apply way too little, so they're not getting adequate protection. But if you're applying like that, then you're good.
Let's move on to the next one because I have something else to say about all of this too.
Okay.
More Curology.
Oh my gosh. You are doing so good.
Okay.
I'm honestly really shocked. I did not expect this. Here I was planning on like suggesting all these new products. Bitch, you're already good. In my review I did about Curology. This is my favorite step that Curology does because I think they just really shine through with the formulations. This is the custom serum that they make, right? They have it on the back of the bottle. First of all, it has niacinamide 4%. Amazing percentage, amazing ingredient like I was talking about before. Azelaic acid as well, really good for antioxidant protection. There's free radicals in the air, especially because you live in New York City. Pollution. And
it's dirty, girl. Yeah. There'd be rats everywhere. You can't breathe. There's smog.
It sounds amazing. Oh my God.
That's why I live here, guys.
Antioxidants are great for fighting against free radical damage. All of those things like in pollution, they're free radicals. They attack our skin, make us age more. Antioxidants help to like basically be a protective shield against that. And azelaic acid is an amazing source of antioxidants and just overall a really good ingredient. So I approve.
I'm learning. I wanted to say I use the cleanser at night with this.
Okay.
The morning I just rinse my face with water.
Okay.
And then I use a moisturizer.
So I'm really shocked that you say that you like don't know anything or don't really care about skincare because you're doing really good.
Maybe I do. I don't know.
No, yeah, I know. Maybe you're hiding all this knowledge. You also touched on one thing I do agree with. You don't cleanse twice a day. You cleanse once a day. Anyone out there who has dry skin, you only need to cleanse once a day.
Yeah. I learned that the hard way.
That's why you don't like the strip tight feeling. Makes sense now.
I was so into the twice a day, and then I was like, wait, why am I doing this? Like, I feel like it's making my skin more oily, but like in a bad way. Yeah. Because like stripping it so much.
Yeah, because the skin's trying to produce sebum to compensate for that stripping effect.
Same thing with like scalps. Very similar to skincare, you know? You gotta use different kinds of shampoos and conditioners. Or else you strip out too much or not enough. Okay, now for my specialty products, the ones that I use like once a week or twice a week.
I'm excited for these.
So we have Laneige. Shit, what? You hate it. You hate it.
I hate this product. Oh, there it is.
It's a water sleeping mask, by the way.
Tell me why you like it.
Because it says water sleeping.
Well, let me tell you why I don't like it.
Also,
it's two different reasons. Really okay, the packaging is so cute, I have to say. It's one of those products that I just think is kind of useless. So it says that it's a sleeping mask. It's supposed to really help with hydration. One reason I hate it is because every single time I've used it, it dries my skin out. Like, and I'm like, this is supposed to be moisturizing. It's supposed to like help you retain moisture. I never saw that happen. And so many people I speak to, they talk about having the same symptoms. But besides that, because that's my personal experience, the ingredients, I don't think they're that great. They're nothing impressive. If you're looking for like a good hydrating mask, I think you want something like more emollient, more heavy cream consistency. This is very lightweight gel, which if it worked well, I'd be okay with. But it doesn't work that well in my opinion. Also, it has a lot of fragrance.
You know what? It's trash.
Oh, yes. Okay, you're on my team now.
Trash.
Throw it out.
About you. Ew, you're gross. Get out. Moving on.
What if I created...
Hiram doesn't like it. It's trash. Now that we're talking about masks, I have another mask.
Okay, mask for mask.
That I feel very passionate. I feel very passionate about this mask, so I hope you like it.
Oh, I'm nervous. I don't want to tear it apart.
SkinCeuticals.
Oh.
B5, is that what it's called?
Yeah, B5. SkinCeuticals approved. I approve it as a brand. I think they have great ingredients. Good. They're pricey, but they're one of those brands that I think is worth it. Product quality is just so high. I've never tried this.
So good.
I actually don't know the ingredients.
It seems kind of similar to the last one you didn't like. This one's thicker.
Okay, because I was going to say this
heavy.
would be a better alternative to the Laneige one, I imagine. Yeah.
Laneige, is that what you said?
Yeah, Laneige, yeah. I'm pretty certain I'm going to love it, but I just want to make sure. Ooh.
Does he love it or does he hate it?
We never know. Oh, I like it. It has a very simple ingredient list. I approve of this mask, everyone. It shall be decreed.
It's approved.
This one can stay. The other one can go. The other one did go.
You like it because it's simple.
It's very simple. So the ingredient list is not a flashy one, but for your skin, I don't think you need that. The main ingredient of this, hyaluronic acid, one of my favorite ingredients out there, pulls in moisture from the air, hydrates your skin. But this also, can I test a little on my hand? So the main base of this is glycerin. Glycerin is also a humectant, but really hydrating. Those paired together is like a dream combination.
Not trash.
Not trash.
So this one comes into play if I work out, which I do. I want to like cleanse my face without stripping it.
Oh, okay. Okay, one of my favorite brands.
Me too.
One of my favorite brands in existence. Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. Okay, niacinamide again. I'm so surprised you don't know that ingredient because it's present in nearly all of your products. It literally says right here, niacinamide. I haven't seen this product, but I love Paula's Choice.
Okay.
It has natural extracts and hydrating oils, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. This is really good.
Fuck. I feel so good about myself.
Yes! So far, can I say, like, out of almost all the skincare routines I've reacted to on my channel, this is one of the best.
What?
Yeah, I'm not kidding. Like, I personally would use all of these products, except the Laneige one. But besides that, I would use all of these products. I'm not even lying. You're doing good.
So this is a little tiny thing of eye cream.
What brand is this?
I don't know, but apparently it was like $250. I didn't buy it.
Oh my god. So it says Avant Age Restore.
$150, sorry.
Still, for an eye cream, that's nuts.
I know. I was like, where the fuck's the rest? This is like a once in a while thing where I'm feeling like tired and I'm like, ooh, eye cream. What's your opinion on eye creams?
Ooh. So I don't think eye creams are necessary.
I don't either.
Yeah, and you're right. Companies will try to be like, oh, like we formulate it for the under eye area, special whatever. That's not a thing.
There's just like cooling ingredients in it that like make you feel like it's
working.
Yeah.
Companies charge so much for eye cream.
Do you use eye cream?
Yeah, sometimes. I don't use it like every single day, but there are some products where I'm like, oh, that looks interesting. The majority of eye creams, though, I'm just like, this is kind of pointless. Like you just bring your moisturizer up to your under eye area and it will literally do the same thing. Let me look at these ingredients. Oh my god. It's good.
Not trash. Come on.
Not trash. Where is it? This ingredient list is good. So most luxury eye creams are trash because they load it with fragrance, all these irritating ingredients, so many silicones. They're just dumb. This is fragrance free. Thumbnail. I'm so shocked.
We have one more.
One more.
Once in a blue moon I break out, but this thing saves my life every time.
Oh, okay. I'm excited. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Paula's Choice Resist 10% AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, right?
Correct. See, she knows something.
If I get blackheads on my nose, I put this on. Or if I have like a pimple coming through, I put it on.
I approve.
Just like
honestly.
Burns it right off.
Burns it. No, so you were talking before about blackheads.
Yeah.
My recommendation always is BHA or AHA. BHA I wouldn't recommend for your skin because it'll dry it out.
I heard.
Yes.
I always thought AHA was stronger than BHA.
So AHA is stronger, but AHA has humectant properties, so it'll draw in moisture. BHA is usually good for oily skin. It reduces oiliness, but it can be really drying to people with already dry skin. Are you sure you're not some like skincare genius on the low? Because I'm really impressed by everything.
I have no clue. I don't do a ton of research.
I would never guess because like this is a routine that I seriously would use. Like this product I've used before, I love it. I'm surprised that you're not sensitive to it because glycolic acid is really strong.
I mean, it fucking burns.
Okay. Well, I guess there you go. Is this your entire routine?
There it is.
You guys.
I feel like I won something.
Yeah. Okay, you know how much of an idiot I feel right now? So I brought like a whole skincare routine. It is not even necessary because all these products are so good. What is the point?
He's like, return.
I know. I'm like, okay, let me get this money back. It's perfect. See, I don't know what to do with all these emotions because normally I'm like bashed. I'm like, God damn it.
was so boring.
I don't have anything to like drag. What am I supposed to do? You guys, he did really good. I'm just going to show you the products that I have, and then you can use them whenever you want. It's funny because you were telling me about your skin type before, and I was just like, wow, oh my God. Hiram, you dumbass. He already told you this so that you could prep to make a skincare routine for him. That's how bad my memory is. I was like, wow, oh my God, that's awful. First off, cleanser. I know you don't like the overly stripping process. This cleanser, I think, would be a good supplemental cleanser or good for your nose area. I can't recommend a skincare routine without it because it's my top skincare product of all time.
Ooh, what's this?
Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Cleanser. It's cute, right?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Boosh.
I know, right? The green tea and the kale in this really help to like soothe redness and sensitivity, calm it down. Green tea's an amazing ingredient for the skin, but I will say usually people with combination skin like this. So you say you struggle with that on your nose. This is perfect because it's a mini size. Just use it on your nose area. It cleans so well, but I'm never left feeling stripped and tight afterwards. Whenever I use this on my nose, because I also get blackheads, I look at it afterwards and I'm like, a cleanser's not supposed to like get rid of blackheads, but why does my nose look so clear? Like, why does my skin look so clear? I don't understand. It's that good, and like everyone I recommend it to, it becomes like their favorite product. So,
I mean, I'm already obsessed with the bottles. So.
I know, right? Packaging. For treatment, I have First Aid Beauty. Are you familiar with that brand? Nope. They're usually really good for eczema. This one is an oat and hemp salve. So it's kind of like a balm. I'd say whenever you're struggling, redness or sensitivity or eczema in certain areas, just put a little of this on. The two ingredients it has oat extract, which is the best ingredient for eczema. You've heard of oat baths?
Yes.
Think of it, but like times 100 for benefits. And then hemp seed oil, which is amazing for hydrating the skin as well. Just kind of supplemental. This is not an everyday product, but you can just kind of supplement it and see if you like it. Next up is this product from the Inkey list. It's a PHA toner. Have you ever heard of PHA?
No.
Pretty new in the industry, but you know how you use AHA?
Yes.
AHA can be really strong. Like you said, that burning sensation. PHA is amazing for dry skin, but it's very gentle. It's the most gentle of all the exfoliants. I like this one because if you're wanting a little bit more regular exfoliation, maybe you like...
I should do that.
Don't want to wait like until once a month. I'd say you can try like once a week and then work your way up from there if you want.
These are so great.
Fun, right?
I'm excited.
I tried to keep your skin concerns in mind when I created this routine.
I love it.
Final product, the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty.
I've seen that. I've never done it, but I've seen it.
I used to have eczema, especially on my hands in the dry environment, like so bad it would crack and bleed. It's not a cute moment.
That's me.
Oh no! This one is the one that would help so much, and for so many people it does. It's just a hydrating cream. Honestly, just use it as a moisturizer. It also works for body. Similar to this, it's oat.
The oat.
Yeah, but it also has a bunch of different hydrating ingredients, but it's very emollient as well. One of the reasons I like it though is that it's gonna create a thick layer of moisturizer, but it doesn't feel heavy.
Oh.
You know, sometimes when you use moisturizers, it feels like you're trapping everything in. It doesn't feel like that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I didn't get you a sunscreen because I didn't know if you had sunscreen allergies. Some people with sensitive skin have sunscreen allergies.
Right.
So you can go in with your normal one.
Okay.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited about these. With all this stuff together, we have a pretty badass skincare.
I know. Honestly, this looks like my shelf at home. I'm excited for you. Hopefully you like these. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
I'm so excited.
This did not turn out at all how I thought it was going to. I'm very encouraged. I have a lot of faith for your skincare journey in the future because obviously you're doing something right.
Thanks.
So thank you again so much for coming on my channel. If you guys aren't already subscribed to him, go subscribe to his channel. Just do it. You're not going to regret it. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about skincare. And I will see you guys later. Bye.